This is Vlog 40, and what you're watching right now is an old clip of mine, and this is shooting in the Colonial Academy. So this is the first time I ever got to shoot a real gun, and that's my heated dog holding
Not too much, because then you pull
US
one way or the other.
Navy
Try the middle.
retired
This goes back in the
personnel.
web.
I don't really
This
know
thumb
much
goes
about his
underneath
military
there,
background,
right to here,
but he's
and this one goes on top
telling
of that.
me on how he's right now telling me how to use a handgun, and I just said okay, and without even understanding what was the instruction. All I ever had to do was like point the handgun right to the bad guy. So as you can see, I'm not really holding the gun correctly, but I was able to fire a few rounds, and I found out that handguns were not my forte, because handguns, they're really hard to control. So I was trying to aim for accuracy, but unfortunately, if I remember right, I never hit any of the targets right at the bullseye right there. You have to reload the clip every time with bullets. And I was shooting with my GoPro Session, which I got also from Virginia Beach. This place is the Colonial, and every gear that you see here, they are sanitized. I remember taking off the plastic from the iPro. I believe I went home with that iPro. It came with the cost of shooting in the Colonial, and here I am with the M4 carbine. Really powerful stuff. And I was not going for the rapid fire. Instead, I was just going for accuracy and trying to align my sights, seeing it's actually far more accurate than a handgun, and I like this rifle. This is a modern type of rifle right there, and yeah, I was checking and making sure that I hit the target, but unfortunately, yeah, this kind of thing, it shoots back and then hits your shoulder. And here is another gun. It's also called a carbine, and it's not an old type of gun. It's really new. The wood is really very heavy, and yeah, you have to really yank that clip out just to reload it. I was able to shoot very accurate shots at 75 yards. I think it was 75 or 65 yards. But anyway, that's all for today, folks, and thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy this clip. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, and ring that bell for notifications. Thank you guys for watching. This is Zero MD. Peace out.